Hey, good Sunday morning, everyone. It's 21 News. Chief Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm. It's an update on your Sunday weather. We're going to take a look at Monday briefly as well because some interesting things are happening weather-wise. Some good news for today. I think if you have outdoor plans today, you're doing just fine. It's going to be warmer than it was yesterday, and this afternoon is going to be a little more humid as well. The humidity is still not a huge factor today, but a little more humid than yesterday. 8 o'clock hour conditions up to 60 degrees, just wall-to-wall sunshine out there this morning. There's hardly a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. Taking a look at the dew points, kind of something we look at as a gauge for the humidity. So let's have a look at those dew points. These are the temperatures, and here's a look at the dew points. They're still down into the lower 50s, and that's definitely in the comfortable category when we talk about dew points. Once the dew point gets above 60, that's when most people in Ohio and Pennsylvania anyway, start to notice the humidity, start to say, hey, it feels a little muggy outside. The more humid air is lurking to our south and west, and it will be slowly but surely pushing in over the next 24 hours or so. Going back to the radar this morning, there is a line of showers and some embedded thunder headed towards Chicago. I do think that this is going to just cruise east and eventually just fall apart in parts of Michigan and Indiana, so we don't have to worry about this during the course of the day today. So let's talk about what the future radars hold. If you have things to do outdoors today, again, it's going to be warm, it's going to be humid, but I do think we stay dry. Here's the early afternoon radar. Notice that band of showers and storms has dissipated over Michigan, while we will continue to have a partly to mostly sunny sky. Late this afternoon, 5 p.m., all is still well across our region. Now, the rain is going to push in eventually, and this will be overnight tonight. Here's at midnight tonight. Some showers, maybe some thunder getting set to head over Lake Erie, the western end of Lake Erie at midnight. And then in the wee hours of tomorrow morning at 4 a.m., this is when we might start to see some spotty activity across the region. So as you go to work Monday morning, I think a lot of us will need the umbrella with spotty showers and storms around. It's not going to be a whole lot at daybreak or even as late as 8 or 9 a.m., but certainly there could be some action bubbling up during the course of Monday morning. And now Monday is going to turn out to be a pretty active day, I think, in terms of rain and thunder. Here's the midday hours, a band of showers and storms somewhere over northern Ohio. Where exactly this is, we're not 100% sure yet, but we've got a threat of rain just about all day on Monday. Switching over to our other model here. Once we're into the late afternoon, still some showers and storms around, and it's just almost a washout, I think, on Monday. We could get an inch worth of rain easily during the course of Monday. Now, what about severe weather? Certainly not likely today across our region. You notice there is a slight risk and even an enhanced risk of severe weather out across parts of Illinois and Indiana today. I do think that even though the darker green, that's the marginal risk, gets over to Youngstown, I think this is more a concern for tonight, not the daylight hours for today. So not worried about severe weather today. Overnight tonight, real low chances of a couple of gusty thunderstorms. Tomorrow, as we take a look at the day 2 risk here, the Storm Prediction Center does have the Mahoning and Shenango valleys in marginal risk in the dark green. The slight risk, that's a higher category, and the yellow is to our south and east. So I don't think we see enough sun tomorrow to get much in the way of heavy thunderstorms going, severe weather, but certainly a rainy Monday coming up tomorrow with a few rounds of showers and some thunderstorms. All right, that's a look at things over the next couple of days. Hope you have a great Sunday. Enjoy the warmth out there today, and we will see you right back here tomorrow. Be sure and check out Andrew's forecast this morning on WFMJ Weekend Today. They're back on the air at 9, I believe. And Candace will be in this evening at 6 and 11 to bring you fresh updates on the 7-day forecast and the threat for rain and thunder over the next couple of days. Have a great day.